Good morning, guys. This is the ham. Rinsed it off and everything. It's a spiral ham. It's my coffee over there. Okay, I got some little chickens here. Okay, it's the ham. So I'm gonna cover it. My oven is already done preheated, so I'm gonna cover this. Here's my pineapple. There's the mix, and I add more brown sugar, you guys, with Vernors for my ham glaze. There's the Vernors. I do that to make an extra glaze, and those are my cherries. Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys, these are 2 chicken thighs. I'm going to bake because I'm going to make some dressing stuff. You know, dressing. Some people call it stuffing. We call it dressing. I like to put olive oil on my chicken. That makes my seasoning stick to it. And you know, chicken thighs make its own fat. And I'm going to use this onion powder. I hope your guys morning's going good so far on this Christmas morning. It's still snowing up here in the Midwest. Okay. That was garlic powder here. I'm going to show you guys what I just used. I don't think I showed that. Okay. It's called Slap Your Mama. Okay. And this says here, so Mrs. Dash. My guest is still asleep, you guys. My son's still asleep. I only have one guest, and they still sleep, so. And last is my smoked paprika. I'm going to sprinkle that on here. It makes it have that barbecue look once it get done. Okay. Then once it cooks so far, then I do the other side. Okay. I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on this, you guys. And throw this in the oven. And now I'm gonna start with this sweet potato. It's the last one that I had. Hold on. Okay, now you guys, I'm sanitizing cleaning my counter off. I'm ready for my coffee. I cooked banana, I made banana pudding yesterday. You can go back if you want to and watch that video. It's well appreciated. Okay. Now I'm going to start on this sweet potato. Here go Binks. What is it, girl? Hey, tell them Merry Christmas. Tell them Merry Christmas. Yeah. Now, one of them up. She up. My son got to get up, and my guest. Yes, you is, girl. What you want, girl? Here. Okay, this is sweet potato, guys. Since they don't take that long to cook, this is something small. A little cinnamon on there. And I add brown sugar to these. And I also will add some vanilla flavoring and butter. Okay. Now I'm finna get ready to open up my pineapples and put them in a bowl. And cranberry sauce. Okay, guys. And I will be back later with another video. Bye-bye now.